Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech World. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into your credit card. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet, and also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you'd like to manage your credit card on the go and securely access your account information, then here's how to do it. Open up your web browser and in the search box, type in your credit card login and press enter. Go to the first link that you see that is called Credit Made Simple. This will take you to the official website, which will look like this. Click on the login button at the top right hand corner. In order to end up in the login area, go ahead and type in your phone number in the text box. Head over to the next field and type in your password. In case you don't remember your password, click on this Reset Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. You can double-check your password by clicking on this little icon at the right hand. After you're done filling in your information and you're ready to log in, click on the Continue button and you'll be logged into your credit card account with your credit card account. You can view account balances, make your payments, monitor recent transactions, or view your monthly statements. I hope that tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have anything to say to us, as soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.